Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. In the last class, exercise 1.4, 2 sums completed. Now write down problem number 4. What is problem number 4? Write down problem number 4. In the following equations, find whether variables x, y, z, etc. represent rational or irrational. Write down problem first. In the following equation, find which are rational numbers, which are irrational numbers. See the first one. First one is what? X square equal to 7. Second one is what? Y square equal to 16. Third one is what? Z square equal to 0.02. Fourth one is what? U square equal to 17 by 4. Fifth one is what? W square equal to 27. Last one is what? T power 4 equal to 256. Then, see the first one. X square equal to 7. What is x? X is a variable. Y is a variable. Z is a variable. W is a variable. U is a variable. T is a variable. You have to find out which one is rational number, which one is irrational number. See the first one. X square equal to 7. Here x is a variable. Remember, here x is a variable. Okay na? Then x square equal to 7. What is the next step? Here what? Square. Square becomes left side square. Right side it becomes root. You know. Square becomes root. Left side square. Right side root. What we get? X equal to root 7. What is root 7? Irrational number. Therefore, x is irrational. What is x? Irrational. X square equal to 7. Square becomes root. Square becomes root. X equal to root 7. Irrational number. Second one. Second one is what? Y square equal to 16. Y square equal to 16. What is y? Y is a variable. Y is a variable. Okay na? Same. Y equal to same property. Square becomes root. Square becomes root. What we get? Root 16. Square becomes root. Root means power 1 by 2. What is root? Power 1 by 2. So square becomes root. Y equal to root. How to write 16? 4 square. How to write 16? 4 4s are 16. Square root cancel. What we get? Y equal to 4. What is 4? Rational number. Therefore, y is rational. Third one. Z square equal to 0.02. Third one is what? Z square equal to 0.02. You know, what is Z? Z is a variable. What is Z? Z is a variable. Z is a variable. Square becomes root. Root 0.02. Square becomes root. Z is a variable. Square becomes root. Z equal to, right, without decimal. After decimal, how many numbers are there? 2 numbers. If you want to write without decimal, what number to write? Write 100 in the denominator. So 0.02 can be written as 2 by 100. Then Z equal to, then what to do? Separate root. Root 2 by root 100. Root 2 by root 100. How to write? Okay na? Root 2 by root 100. Z equal to root 2 by 100. How to write? 10 square. How to write 100? 10 square. Square root to cancel. What we get? Z equal to root 2 by 10. Z equal to root 2 by 10. What is root 2? Irrational number. Therefore, Z is irrational. Third one, Z is irrational. Fourth one, U square equal to 17 by 4. U square equal to 17 by 4. What is U? Variable. U is a variable. So, solution, square becomes root. Square becomes root. U equal to root of 17 by 4. U equal to root 17 by root 4. U equal to root 17 by root 4 how much? 2. What is root 17? Irrational. Therefore, U is irrational. U is irrational. Fifth one. W square equal to 27. Square becomes root 27. How to write root 27? How to write 27? 9 3s are 27. Then W equal to, how to write it? Root 9 into root 3. Root 9 how much? 3 into root 3. What is root 3? Irrational. Therefore, W is irrational. W is irrational. Last one. T power 4 equal to 256. Solution. T power 4 equal to 256. T equal to 4 becomes how much? 1 by 4 from LHS to RHS. 4 becomes 1 by 4. Do the rough work. 256. How to write? 4 table. How many times? 64. 4 table how many times? 16 times. 4 table how many times? 4 times. What we get? T equal to 4 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. 4 4 cancel. T equal to 4. Rational number. Therefore, T is rational. Square becomes root. Root 7 is irrational. Second one is what? Y is a variable. Square becomes root. Root 16. How to write 16? 4 square. Square root cancel. What we get? 4. Rational. Third one. Square becomes root. Z is a variable. Okay na? How to write 0.02? 2 by 100. Root 2 by root 100. How to write 100? 10 square. Square root cancel. What we get? Root 2 by 10. It is irrational. Z is irrational. Fourth one. Square becomes root. So, U equal to root 17 by 4. Root 17 by root 4. Root 4 how much? 2. What is root 17? Irrational. So, U is irrational. Fifth one. Square becomes root. W equal to root 27. How to write 27? 9 into 3. Root 9 into root 3. Root 9 how much? 3. What is root 3? Irrational number. So, W is irrational. 4 becomes 1 by 4. Last sum. 4 LHS. RHS 1 by 4. How to write 256? 4 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. 4 4 cancel. What we get? 4. Rational number. T is rational number. Write down. So leave problem number 4. Problem number 4 is about pi is a rational, irrational number. Already we know pi is irrational number. No need of problem number 4. Leave it. Then problem number 5. Write down problem number 5. Rationalize the denominator of the following. Rationalize the denominator of the following. First problem 1 by 3 plus root 2. Second problem 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Third problem 1 by root 7. Fourth problem root 6 by root 3 minus root 2. I want to explain first problem and fourth problem for you. You try for second problem and third problem. Second problem, third problem, you try for them on the same model. I told you already in introduction, rationalize means removing of root. Rationalize dr for denominator. What is dr? Denominator. So there is root in the denominator. Remove root from the denominator. It is rationalize. What is rationalize? Removing root. Remove root from denominator. There is root in denominator. Remove root from denominator. It is known as rationalize denominator. See the first one. 1 by 3 plus root 2. Write down first problem. I want to explain first, fourth for you. You try for the remaining two. Then first problem is 1 by 3 plus root 2. Where is root? There is root in the denominator. Denominator contains root and it is irrational number, you know. What is 3 plus root 2? Irrational number. There is root in the denominator. Remove root from the denominator. It is known as rationalization. Then, what is the denominator? Here, see all the steps. Here, denominator is, what is the denominator? 3 plus root 2. Remember, there is root in the denominator. Remove root from denominator. It is rationalized denominator. What is the denominator? 3 plus root 2. Denominator is 3 plus root 2. What we will write? The RF of denominator 3 plus root 2 is 3 minus root 2. What is the RF of denominator? 3 plus root 2? 3 minus root 2. You know all the steps. Step number 3. What is the third step? Multiply numerator and denominator with RF. Multiply numerator and denominator with RF. Write the problem again. 1 by 3 plus root 2. What is 1? Numerator. What is 3 plus root 2? Denominator. Multiply numerator with RF. Denominator with RF. Rationalizing factor. What is RF? Rationalizing factor. So multiply numerator with 3 minus root 2. Denominator with 3 minus root 2. Multiply numerator and denominator with RF. What is the numerator? 1. What is the denominator? 3 plus root 2. Multiply 1 with RF. 3 minus root 2. Multiply denominator 3 plus root 2 with 3 minus root 2. So multiply numerator and denominator with RF. Then multiplication. Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay na? 1 into 3 minus root 2. 3 minus root 2. See the denominator? It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. You know, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square by, what is a value? 3 whole square. What is b value? Root 2 whole square. What we get? 3 minus root 2 by 3 square 9. Square root cancel 2. 3 minus root 2 by 7. Okay na? So, in the given problem, there is root in the denominator. In the answer, there is no root in the denominator. It is rationalization. See the problem again. What is the denominator? 3 plus root 2. What is the RF of 3 plus root 2? 3 minus root 2. Multiply numerator and denominator with RF. What is the numerator? 1. Multiply with 3 minus root 2. What is the denominator? 3 plus root 2. Multiply with 3 minus root 2. Numerator into numerator. Denominator into denominator. 1 into 3 minus root 2. 3 minus root 2. Denominator, it is in the form of A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. What is a value? 3. Minus what is b value? Root 2. Square root 2 cancel. What we get? 3 minus root 2 by 3 square 9 minus 2. 3 minus root 2 by 7. See the fourth one. Fourth one is what? Root 6 by root 3 minus root 2. Right? The same matter. Same matter. Here denominator is root 3 minus root 2. What is the denominator? Root 3 minus root 2. RF of denominator root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2. Then what to do? What is the third step? Multiply numerator and denominator with RF. Multiply numerator and denominator with RF. Multiply numerator and denominator with RF. Write the problem again. Root 6 by root 3 minus root 2. Multiply numerator with RF. Denominator with RF. So multiply numerator and denominator with RF. Multiply numerator with numerator. Root 6 into root 3 plus root 2. Denominator root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. Multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. See the numerator multiplication. Root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 2 by denominator. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. What is a value? Root 3 whole square minus what is b value? Root 2 whole square. Square root cancel. Square root cancel. What we get? I am writing here. How much? Root 6 into root 3. How much? Root 18. 6 3s are 18. Plus 6 2s are 12. By denominator 3 minus 2. How to write 18? 9 into 2. How to write 12? 4 into 3 by 1. Root 9 into root 2 plus root 4 into root 3. Root 9 how much? 3 root 2. Root 4 how much? 2 root 3 by 1. Okay na? So there is no root in the denominator. What is there in the denominator? 1. Okay na? See the problem again. Here denominator is what? Root 3 minus root 2. RF of denominator root 3 minus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2. Multiply numerator and denominator with RF. Root 6 by root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Multiply numerator root 6 with RF. Denominator with RF. Then numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. Multiply with root 6. Root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 2. Denominator, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. What is a value? Root 3. Minus what is b value? Root 2. Square root cancel. Square root cancel. 6 3s are 18. 6 2s are 12. How to write 18? 9 into 2. How to write 12? 4 into 3. Okay na? 3 minus 2 how much? 1. Root 9 into root 2 plus root 4 into root 3. Root 9 how much? 3. Root 2. Root 4 how much? 2. Root 3. Write down. HW for tomorrow is problem number 4, problem number 3, problem number 5. Full one time. Problem number 3, problem number 5. Each one time. Okay na? We'll continue the next sums in the next class. Thank you students.